Today on Let's Celebrate TV Basic Skills Day, we're going to break down a whole chicken. Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Let's Celebrate TV Basic Skills Day. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Today, we're going to break down a whole chicken. So let's get started. Now you're probably wondering, Pete, why would I want to break down a chicken when I can buy the pieces at the store already done for me? Well, there's several reasons. First of all, it's usually cheaper to buy a whole bird than to buy the packages already broken down. You're paying for the butchers to break them down for you. Secondly, those packages oftentimes come from random birds, so they're not always all the same size, and you get birds that won't cook all at the same time. They won't cook evenly. Plus, when you break down your bird yourself, you get extra bits that you can use for stocks. Let me show you how easy it is. Have a nice chickie here. We're going to start by removing the leg and thighs. Pretty simple. We really just want to pick it up a bit and cut through this loose skin so you can see what's going on in here. Pick it up with both hands and pop the joint right out of the socket. Just like that. That's pretty simple. Okay, now we're just going to cut down carefully, keeping your fingers out of the way, and try and stay close to the backbone here so you can get the oyster off. Right, just like that. Nice little leg and thigh. And that's what you end up with. Let's do the other side. Again, we're going to cut through this loose skin. We're going to pop that joint right out of the socket. There it goes. And we're going to cut right through that joint. And here's our other leg and thigh. Now, we have the bird and we have the wings. I want to turn this around towards me. Pick it up by a wing. You can feel where the joint actually is. It's way down here. So just cut closely here. Cut all the way around. You can pop that out and then just cut right through the joint. How simple is that? Lift it up. And this is letting gravity do the work. It's helping separate that joint for you. All right. Right there. Bend it back, right through the joint. There we go. Okay, now we have our bird with the breast and the backbone is still on. If you put it on its side, you'll see this line of fat here. You can take some kitchen shears, cut right along that line of fat, right through the ribs, right up to where the wing was attached, and that separates the backbone. Let's do it on this side. Same place, right along this line of fat here. And now we have the backbone separated. Now you can save this for stock. This is the bit I meant. You want to save it for stocks. So what are we going to do with this two breasts? It's simple. Lay it on its back like that. Dry my hands a little. we're just going to cut straight down through the bone and through the cartilage here. Right down. Point of the knife on the board, straight down, just like that. All right, there we go. Now we have one chicken breast and two chicken breasts, a split breast. So that is how you break down a chicken. It's pretty easy. So we will see you on Tuesdays for our regular episodes and Fridays for Basic Skills and Cocktail Fridays. Now, while I go wash my chickeny hands, I want you to watch these videos over here. Till next time, cheers!